Hello everyone, I'm Alessio Galloni, a corporate operating manager of Kerakoll SPA, a company leading on building materials. At Kerakoll, we started exploring solar as part of an effort to reduce energy cost, increase energy security, and align with our sustainability goals. As our operations grow globally, having more control over our energy source became a priority. At the beginning, we had some concerns, especially around the complexity of the implementation. But we wanted to make sure that we could rely on performance of the system over time and avoid overloading our internal team. Working with SafEarth helped us address these concerns very effectively. They acted as a true engineering partner, taking ownership of the entire process from design, supplier selection, team execution. That was very, very important for us because they were able to follow a project end to end, and we were able to delegate to them the responsibility of the project. This allowed my team to stay focused on core priorities for our business, for Kerakoll, without compromising quality and timelines on the solar project. In our Jaipur plant, was a greenfield plant. We installed over 1,000 kilowatt peak system, so quite big system. Today, the project is delivering what we wanted, what we were aiming for, and we are more stable, sustainable in energy. We are able to provide the energy that we need 100% from the solar panel system. Overall, it has been a very positive experience, both in terms of the results achieved and the way the project was managed. I truly suggest companies in other cases similar to us to rely on SafEarth, especially in cases where the team needs to focus on other things, other activities that might be a higher priority and a core activity for the business, in our case, building material. Thank you for watching, and I hope you take my advice and suggestion.